Now let's look at this question. In the diagram, PQRO is a quarter of a circle with center O. Now RQ, where is our RQ, equals PR, okay, equals to 7 centimeter. Now calculate correct to 2 decimal place the area of the shaded portion. Now looking at this now let us quickly interpret this question. Now PRO, that's the whole of the shape itself, is quarter of a circle. Now let us recall that this is a circle, okay? Now, and for us to share it into 4, all right? Now this is it, okay? Now it implies that the whole of this shape here is one of this, right? Now let us consider also this, that since it is quarter, it also implies that here is 90 degree, here 90 degree, here 90 degree, here 90 degree. Now if this is true, it implies that here is 90 degree, okay? All right, and to that end, it also implies that quarter of this shape is a sector, okay? So which also implies that this is a sector, all right? And now if this is true with all this, now for us to get the area of the shaded portion, which is this, now it implies that we need to look at the shape very well. Now since PQRO is a sector, okay, now looking at P, this shape, down to R, you can see it's also a circle. Now for us to get this shape, it means we have to take away PR, which is a semicircle, out from the total shape of a sector. So which implies that now the area of the shaded portion, so area of the shaded, let us say shaded portion P, equals the area of a sector then minus area of a semicircle, okay? All right, so to this end now, I guess we've picture out and factor out how to solve the area of the shaded portion. Now to this end, an area of a sector is given as theta all over 360 times pi r square, then minus area of a semicircle. Take note, area of a circle itself is pi r square. Now for that of a semicircle, it will now be divided by 2. That will be pi r square all over 2. Now, but we need to look at something here. The radius of the sector is different from that of the semicircle. Yes. Now the question tells us QR, and PR is 7. So it implies that this one will then be 7 all over 2, 7 all over 2. So let us erase this one and write big R for us not to confuse ourselves. Now to this end, we now know that theta here is 90 all over 360, then times 22 over 7, which is the pi, then times the radius, that will be 7 times 7, then minus the whole of 22 all over 7, then times our radius here is 7 all over 2 times 7 all over 2. Take note, all of this all divided by what? By 2. Okay, now to this end, let us quickly do some calculation here. 90 here 1, 90 here will be 4, right? 7 here 1, 7 here 1. Okay, to this end, 7 here 1, 7 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 11. Okay, so we are left with okay, 2 here 2, 2 here 11. Okay, so we are left with 11 times 7, that will be 77 all over 2, then minus, now 11 times 7 here is also 77, then all over, then we are left with 2 here and we are left with 2, that will be 4. Okay, now to this end, let's just find the LCM. That would be 4, 2. That would be 4. That would be 2. Now 2 times 77, so it should give us 154. Okay, right? Yes. Then minus 77. Now punching our calculator here, 154 minus 77, that will also give us 77 all over 4. Okay, now divided by 4. So that will be, so the area of the shaded portion will now be 19.25 centimeter, right? Yeah, centimeter square. All right, so that's the final answer. If you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and chemistry. Thank you and God bless you.